Hey guys, it's Rob from Frog Productions, and today I'm going to show you a review on my Commander Wolf, custom Commander Wolf from Minifigmaker. So yeah, when I first got it, I got it in this small bag, not in my message box, actually on a store. Yeah, and I need to pay for it, to get a bag, actually. And I got it in this smaller box, the figure. Let's figure kind of way. Let's open it. So the figure fits very easily. I didn't get this stand with it. This is just something I use. So yeah, inside like that. That's and inside the bag it's actually like this. I don't know what it is, but it's just there to protect the figure actually. So yeah, pretty nice made actually. And to protect the figure more, I got it in a little bag, which I can't find. Here it is. Got it in one of these. The figure fit easily. Let me show you that. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So you could just have him there if you want to protect it. I think it's still available on the store. Let me see. 2 seconds. Yeah, so yeah, just look at him when I find it. Pretty cool actually. Yeah, it's actually still available. And I also got this just in grey. I can show you that too. Here it is. Let me take it on him. But I used the black one because it's much cooler. I can't remember name. I'm not so good at English, but yeah. So, it doesn't look so cool. Like, it's much better. So yeah, the helmet is actually pretty cool, and the polarun are pretty cool, or the best polarun I've ever seen. Not seen so many in my whole life actually, but the best. So yeah, let me show you the helmet. Don't try to put a Commander Wolf head on it under the helmet. I'm just saying. I don't think you will get it off actually. I don't think so. So yeah, you can also have it like this. I like it to be like this. Like it's actually much, or used to be, or yeah, I don't know what to call it. I'm sorry. The helmet is pretty cool. I've been told that it's not like a Neo helmet. I don't know. And this is the polarun with a wolf symbol. And yeah, these are pretty cool. On Clone Army Custom, these are not there, which is pretty bad. I think was on Rex, but that's the only one. So yeah, let me show you my phase 1 Commander Wolf. It's not so much different. No, I mean, different. I don't know what to call it. Not so good at English. Here we go. Here is. It's not the same color actually, but this pretty cool. Not EP3 body, as you can see, but I don't care about that actually. So yeah, and it's not arm printing or yeah, just arm printing. That's the only different. Yeah, the helmet is this It's one of my favorite custom, but it's kind of a downer because it's not like printed. It's not printed. It's decal, so you can destroy it easily. I've been told that Minifigmaker is one of the best decaler ever. I think so because it's pretty good, and I didn't got it today. It's like it's 1 or 3 weeks old or something like that. I don't remember, but yeah. And the pauldron, no, the waist cape is actually awesome. I just look at it. It's so cool. I think it's so cool. The back, it's like go up like this. It doesn't go like that on Minifig's For You waist capes. And Minifig For You pauldron are kinda, you can destroy them if they are white inside right there. You can destroy them like I did on my Commander Bly. It's not like destroyed, but you can see it's kind of white. Like it's kind of white, like right there, as you can see. Yeah, and yeah, this is the back. There's much there actually. This is the side. Look at the arms. It's pretty cool actually. And other side of the arms, it's a wolf symbol, pretty cool. And back decal. Let me take off his waist cape and pauldron. Show you. Oh, sorry about that. They're kind of hard to take on and off actually, because they are kind of small. I don't care about that actually. This is actually the hardest thing to take off. If I take it off many times, I think I will destroy it. I don't know yet, but yeah. And by the way, it came with that commander pistol. I think that's the name. I'm not good at like guns. Not good at all. Yeah. And it's actually decal right there and there on both sides. So yeah. Pretty cool. Let me show you the front. Every single thing is actually decal, I think. Most of it. Side. And the back. And the other side. And the front. So yeah. Pretty cool pistol. Just came with one weapon. Kind of a downer, but yeah. And it's decal. But the pauldron are just amazing. Yeah. It's just so cool. Let me take it on him again. It just looks so amazing. I know it took a long time before I reviewed this figure, but so yeah, I didn't have time. I was kind of busy or lazy, as you can tell. Very lazy. I've been very not lazy actually, busy. I think the name is in English, because my PS3, I'm playing on PS3. My PS3 is actually broken, so I need to buy new. I'm going to buy new tomorrow. But I will lose all the map packs and things like that. But you don't want to talk about that, I think, or hear that. So yeah. So this is always awesome the awesome Commander Wolf. So yeah, this was the review of Commander Wolf from Minifigmaker.com. You can still buy him. I'm just saying, just go and buy him. It's totally worth the money. If you're going to like buy one custom from Minifigs for You, Clone Armor Customs, and Minifigmaker, I recommend this one right now, for now. So yeah, and I will also next review, I think I will review Echo. I think I will do it today, right now, and then I will review another custom, but I don't know which. Yeah. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and goodbye.